Let's go to Glasgow.
Hey, it's me. When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart.
Hi guys, my finally running on 2 hours of sleep. I can't wait to get on the train, drop my bags, relax, and sleep. This is also my first time on the train, so I'm looking forward to the experience. I thought I would see someone back from the place around here, just so that I'm not the only one growing up. It doesn't feel lonely, but I guess I'm the only one here. I have a stop before I get to Glasgow, so we have one stop before I get to Glasgow. Yeah, that's it. I'm here now. I'm very early, which I'm happy. I'm very scared that I was going to be late, and I don't want to be rushing. I'm happy I'm in time, but yeah, it's very cool, you guys. It's so cool. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the experience. To get to know the train and just saying how it is. So, let's go. Let's go to Glasgow.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful
I don't think spring has started yet because it's really cold, like really cold. But yeah, I'm on my way to the home now. I'm running late. I'm supposed to be there by 10. So it's currently past 10. Hi guys, finally speaking to you guys properly. I know I've been whispering throughout this video, but yeah, we're at ACS now in my work gear. So we just finished taking some content, and we are going to go for lunch break now, then do a brief before we continue for the day. I got here 15 minutes late, but yeah, we are just two here, me and one photography student. It's really nice. I am enjoying the process. Can't vlog along the way as much as I want because I'm obviously using my phone to make videos, but I'll do my best to carry you guys along. Probably when I'm settled, I'll talk to you properly. I'm wearing this butter yellow shirt and my jean. Glasgow is very cold. I don't know if I told you guys, but it's so cold here. But yeah. Hi guys, I'm in my friend's place. You guys, I'm so tired, I'm so cold, and I have a headache. I'm just going to rest now. My friend is not around. She went to Nigeria, but I'm going to be here. I'm going to be spending the night here because I have to be at ACS back tomorrow. So I met up with another friend after we rounded up for the day, and we just caught up, gisted, went around, and I took a bus to my friend's place here where I'll be spending the night. So I'm here now. I will just rest my head because my head aches. And yeah, that'll be it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to vlog more for you and explore the city, even though I just have tomorrow. Hi guys, today's day 2 at ACS. I showed my face earlier. But yeah, today has been exciting. We shot a day in my life with the business development manager. I'm actually enjoying this, to be honest. It feels so good. But guys, I have a headache. I have a bad headache, and I don't know why. I woke up very scared and anxious. Like I thought I was late, and it was like just past 5. So I had to go back to bed and sleep. So I think because I woke up from a shock, thinking I was late, I had the headache because I was supposed to be sleeping. So since then I have had this serious pain, like my head is banging. My friend's sister offered to give me ibuprofen, but I felt it was just too strong, so I didn't take anything. So yeah, I'm here now. We have more tasks to do, then we'll go for lunch. So I'll probably talk to you guys when we go for lunch. I'll probably show you the office space. It's just that I don't want to get anyone's face. You don't want to put your phones in people's face when they don't want to. So yeah. But overall, I look good. I don't feel good. I don't know where this energy is from, but like my head is banging. But yeah, can't wait to go home and relax and sleep. I feel like one of the issues why my head is aching me is because I've not had a good sleep. Like my sleep has been really short for the past few days, so I need to sleep well.
In the rushing through me. Don't want upstream, are you with me? Hey you, don't you worry about a thing. Oh no, every day is just a brand new start. Just follow your heart. So many dreams are waiting for you. Say
You'll pay at the end.
Yeah, pay at the end.
Hi guys, I haven't spoken to you guys since I came back from Glasgow. Today's the next day. I'm out with my colleagues for bottomless brunch. We left the brunch because we had 2 hours there, and now we are here at I can't speak. We're in Chinatown. We're in Chinatown at the karaoke bar. So we're here for karaoke for another 2 hours, then I'll go home. Yeah, I look nice. I wore skirt out today. I don't know if you guys can see, but I wore my skirt out today, and it's so nice, and the weather is really good. But yeah, this looks like a very active weekend for me. But it's just this weekend because I have classes and assessments next week to go back to. But yeah, I'm having fun. It's so nice to be out. I've laughed a lot. Like from the bottomless brunch to our journey here, I have laughed a lot. At some point, my tummy was aching. Well,